Welcome to this tutorial. In this guide, we'll show you how to generate your child's report card in Fantaskool. It's a simple process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to view or download your child's academic report. Let's get started. To begin, parents need to either sign up for a Fantaskool account if they don't already have one, or log in if they've already created an account. If you're signing up for the first time, follow the instructions provided by your school to create your parent account. Once you've successfully signed up or logged in, you'll be redirected to your parent dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the report card section located in the sidebar navigation on the left-hand side. Click on the report card button, and a new interface will appear. On this interface, you'll see the option to generate your child's report card. Click on the Generate button to proceed. Once you click Generate, another interface will pop up, prompting you to select the academic year and the term for which you want to generate the report card. After selecting the relevant academic year and term, you'll have two options. Click on View Report if you simply want to view the report card on the screen. Click on Download if you want to save the report card as a file on your device for future reference. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily generate, view, or download your child's report card through the Fantaskool platform. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact your school administrator. Thank you for using Fantaskool.